Welcome back to Lots of Yum for You. And today, that's right, I'm a little hyped. Hey now, I've got on my new favorite apron. I got two. I'm gonna get some more with me on the front as Chef Connie. Hey. Anyway, today we're gonna create a ton of deliciousness. We're gonna do some healthy and delicious, and the whole family will love it. Just because we say healthy doesn't mean the whole family won't love it. They're going to love this, and they get to pick and choose what they put in their foil packs. So we're gonna do some oven-baked foil packs with a wide variety of ingredients and deliciousness and seasonings that you can use so that everybody can have their own individual taste. Okay, so let's dive right into this video and make some deliciousness. Hi everyone, I am ready and we are going to dive right into making all of this deliciousness. So what I have here is the foil, and we're going to open it up, okay, and put the ingredients right here on the foil. So I have so many ingredients. I have chicken, red bell pepper, orange bell pepper, onions, broccoli, mushrooms. Just gonna dive right in and make a foil packet. So with this one, what I'm going to do is go ahead and I'll throw in some onions. This sounds good. Let's throw in some onions, a couple of pieces of green bell pepper. We have the orange bell pepper. Here's some red bell pepper. This is some chicken sausage. This looks pretty good. I have a whole bunch of seasonings over here. So I'll do this chicken apple sausage. That looks good. I have a little bit of chicken here. It's already cooked, not too hard, so it can go back in the oven. And then I'm gonna sprinkle on probably a little bit of pink salt. Yes, my nails are good for something. A little bit of pink salt and some garlic powder. There we go. You can just use whatever seasonings you like. I'm gonna put on a little bit of paprika. And then I'll sprinkle over some olive oil. And there we go. So the foil packet is ready. Let me show this to you guys. There we go. And then what I'll do is I'm gonna take this, fold it over. Let me move this. Fold it over, and then these two corners meet. I'm gonna fold this over twice. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. Fold it over twice, nice and neat. There we go. And then fold it over again, twice, nice and neat. And now we have a beautiful foil packet. There we go. And then I'm gonna put this on a big tray. So I have this big tray, and I'm going to make several. That's the oven and it's ready. I'm going to make several foil packets and put them on this tray and then bake everything in the oven. So this is a fun dinner. You can lay out things and you don't have to have everybody dip their hands into the food. You can do it yourself, but you can find out what does everybody like. So I'll do some more onions, and then some more bell peppers. And then this time we're gonna do some serrano peppers, make it a little spicy. This sausage over here, I have some sausage that I had from a party. I had some extra sausage left, uncooked. So I said, all right, let me we can make a foil packet. Mushrooms right here. Okay, this looks good. And I might just throw in a couple of pieces of broccoli. And I have some other seasoning, so I'll use a little bit of Lowry seasoning salt. So I'll just put a little bit of this on here. And there we go. And the fun thing about foil packets is that you can put them together and you don't have to worry about, you just pop them in the oven. And that while they're in the oven cooking, you can do whatever you want. Just fold them up, pop them in the oven, and go do something else. A fun dinner. You can do this with a variety of ingredients, whatever you want. Seafood, potatoes, corn, however you want to do it. And it's fun. It's like it's a foil pack party. And you have the family join in. I like it, and if you want the kids to wash their hands and join in to make their own foil packet, great. Or they can just pick, your family can just pick from all the ingredients that you have. That's fun too. And one of our foil packets, that's fun. And these are all fun and delicious and healthy. You can also use these for keto. One of these foil packets, I'm gonna go ahead and put in some, just some broccoli and some of this apple sausage, which is really good. And then I'll probably throw in a little bit of, because on this one, this is gonna be interesting, but we're gonna make this one right here, and then after, we're gonna open it up and put some cheese on it, pop it back in the oven for about a minute or two until the cheese melts. That's gonna be very delicious. And I'm just gonna throw a little bit of pink salt because the cheese is gonna give it some flavor. A little bit of pepper. And then I think I'll just do a little bit of our garlic powder. You can just have your whatever flavors you want to, put on your foil packet, and then just, there we go. So I'm gonna put these in the oven right now at 375 degrees for 30 minutes. Okay, so this is completed, and I have 3 different foil packets. And this is a fun dinner. You can make a variety of foil packets. So I'm gonna make one more, pop it in the oven, and then I will see you when our foil packets are coming out of the oven and ready to eat. Hi everyone, I am back. We are back. And I have all of our delicious foil packs that we're baking in the oven at 380 degrees for 30 minutes. So let's open them up, or open up a couple, see what we have here. Oh, this one's nice and hot and steaming. Wow. Let me get a plate. This looks delicious. Look at that. Nice, hot, and steamy. So, and then, let's see, we have one here. Let me get a small plate. I have one here that is broccoli. Let's see what this one is. This is fun, opening them up, right? To see, like a gift. Oh, wow. This is one that I'm gonna drop some cheese in while it's hot. And then just kind of close it back up for a couple of minutes. And the cheese should melt right onto this, and then we will look at it. So anyway, these are all of our foil packets. And because we, folded them up so neatly, we can open them up nice and neat. Wow, or however we want to. This is one of the smaller ones. And this is the, it's hot, apple sausage, mushrooms, and broccoli. So there you have it, folks. A fun dish, easy to put together. Put everything in a foil pack. Oh wow, and this is the one with the chicken, sausage, and everything. So There we go, nice and hot. And now I'm gonna check on this one just to see how our cheese is looking. Let me see. Oh, the cheese started melting. It started melting, but not as much. So you can always pop this one back into the oven to have the cheese melt. Or like, you know what? Just for like a couple of, probably for like a couple of minutes. And you want to open it up because we don't want the cheese to stick to the top. So I think I'll just pop that back in the oven right quick. As long as the oven is still warm, you can just pop that in the oven for a couple of minutes, and there you have it. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and the 4th different meal. You can also use these for meal prep so that your meal prep doesn't get boring. So you have all these different meals, and I will show you how you can use them for meal prep, okay? You can get your meal prep containers, and you can put this in as your protein in your meal prep container. It already has vegetables, and then there you have it. Again, you can put these in your meal prep containers, and you have a variety of meals. You don't have to eat the same thing every day. Speaking of meal prep, I have this large container, which I can put our first one in. It's quite large. And then I have a medium meal prep container, which I'll take the mushrooms and the sausage and everything. Fits perfect. And this is perfect. And then I'll just add a side salad in another container with my meal and my cut up strawberries. So there I have it. Something delicious and already pre-made, or I can use it for dinner, take it with me for lunch. And then we have this large, here's the large foil packet, and I have this beautiful large meal prep container. So I can put this in here, and there you have it. So many meals, a variety of meals, and then there we go. Delicious. So I'm gonna let these cool down actually before we put a top on them. I'll just let them cool down, and then yummy. You can also, with some of these, you can also do stuff like, if you want, you can also sprinkle a little bacon on top. There's not a lot of protein in this bowl, and hey, bacon is delicious with broccoli or anything else, but I'll sprinkle, since I didn't put a lot of protein, a little bit of bacon crumbs on this. That'll be delicious. This one right here has so much in it, I don't need to sprinkle bacon. It has 2 different types of meat and mushrooms and everything else. It's pretty much of a big bowl. So there we have it. And now I'm going to pull out the one where we're melting the cheese on top of the vegetables. Let me go check the oven. Oh yes. And I'm going to use this to pull it out of the oven. And here we go, folks. Oh, sorry about that. There we go. And that's nice and delicious. And here we have the melted cheese. So there you go. And you can have this with melted, but you want to put the cheese on last. So after everything is cooked properly, then you put the cheese on, because cheese only takes a few seconds to melt. You don't want the cheese to cook in with the vegetables and stuff, because it's not going to cook well. But like this, there we have it. Put your cheese on last. After you've cooked everything, you just pop this back in the oven, in that heated oven. After you open it up, sprinkle your cheese, leave it open, and let that cheese melt. There we go with all this deliciousness. So I will be right back with our deliciousness test. Okay, everyone, we saw the 4 different meals that you can create in the foil pack, but there's thousands more. And we just did some of these, and these are delicious and healthy, and your whole family would love them. Like I said, sometimes we say the word healthy and people start running like, oh, it's not gonna have flavor. It's not gonna be delicious. I won't like it, but you will like it. You will enjoy this. Your whole family will enjoy this. And here we go. I'm gonna taste the one with the melted cheese, because I do like cheese, and I am doing keto. So let me give this a try. Okay. And, oh, this is a meat, cheese. Oh yeah. Okay, well, I don't want to have cheese all over my face. Here we go, everyone. And I will eat a mushroom with this. All right, let me give it a try. deliciousness. Amazing deliciousness. So you know what this means. As you learn how to cook more and do different types of techniques, like this foil packages, we have 4 different foil packs, and they're all different, and you can use all of them in your meal prep, so you don't have a boring meal prep. They will all help you lose some weight, stay healthy, and so, I mean, because sometimes we're looking for delicious, right? Healthy meals, but easy to make. So here it is. You got 4 different meals in the foil pack, 4 different meals for, you know, you don't have to be bored. You don't have to eat the same thing over and over again all week. You can just go, hey, I got this today, that tomorrow, whatever. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and push the thumbs up button so you know when I have more new videos coming out that are going to be delicious for you and your family. And have an amazing rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.